Hello and welcome to this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. So we are going to see how Nifty and Bank Nifty are going to pan out in this coming week. What are the projection? What is the study that suggests that what is going to happen in Nifty and Bank Nifty in the coming week? But before we do that, last week's summary is that last week we saw two targets in Nifty. So the first target that we were expecting was 9390 and the second target we were expecting was 9450. And after these targets in Nifty, we were also expecting a target of 21,500 in Bank Nifty. So let me just take you to WhatsApp discussion, whatever has happened in the group today. Today morning message. So morning message, we are suggesting again the journey is clearly towards 9450 and 9620. It's a sluggish kind of action, not very impulsive or not very exponential kind of a move. So because we are in an accumulation phase, so accumulation phase generally keep the action very subtle, very low, and that is how the move keep on happening. So one simple trick that I had given people, that based on daily bias, so like how Nifty is opening or Bank Nifty is opening, based on that they might decide that what kind of a trades they should take or whether they should avoid trading on that particular day. So today I have clearly stating that I am not thinking about creating any new positions. In fact, whatever positions I was carrying overnight, I would manage those positions. So if we need to have this bullish bias, Nifty should have taken out 9390, which was Monday's opening, real quickly, and then the journey should go ahead towards 9600 or something like that, which we are expecting in this week. And then immediately after this message, the entire group came into action. Now first message of the day is from Rupal Shah. She booked her calls which were sold in Bank Nifty, and then as per those action we were looking at Asian Paint as well, which was a very good pick for the weekly time frame. Then Alka is entering into Kotak Bank, so this is a call option trade, and that's how this scenario is going. Reliance and Titan were bullish as per then Reliance sold calls, so Rupal had sold calls in Reliance a day before yesterday and she had covered those, and this is how this action keep on going, right? So this is the exit for Kotak, for Alka, and then we are talking about 1400 being resistance, Reliance breakout, all these kind of actions are coming into picture. Then people have started talking about targets. So Sherville entered into Reliance with a target of 1438, and then based on that Reliance then moved on, price moving on to that direction, and Sherville exited. So Sherville entered into Reliance trade at 38.65 and then he exited at 63 rupees, right? So almost a good ROI, probably little over 70% ROI that he got, and that was his execution part. And this is how these trades keep on going. So Apollo entered into Reliance future and 1438 was his exit and 1372 was his entry, and this is how these trades keep on going in this group. So let's just come back to the chart, and if I take you on a hourly chart, you can see that Monday Nifty opened right at our first target. So that level of 9390 was honored by market and it opened right there, and till this entire week Nifty could not move above this level, right? So in between Reliance Facebook deal happened, and in spite of that Nifty couldn't go beyond this opening level of 9390. Currently we are at this stage, but then I believe that Nifty should take out 9390, and once Nifty take out 9390, I'm not going to plot any new target for the day, but then after that target will be done, we will be heading at 9450 and the next target will be 9620. So these are two important targets for us in Nifty. And as we check in Bank Nifty, yeah, before we move on to Bank Nifty, let me just quickly give you a glimpse. I keep on talking about accumulation phase and how this accumulation phase actually help us to arrive at a decision. If you look at this action, it is taking a long period in time, but the price action is not happening in an exponential kind of a way, right? So in this scenario, in such scenarios, what we have to do is we have to go back in history. If you remember, about a month back in Market Kya Lagta Hai, one of the episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai, I had categorically mentioned that this action is going to be a sluggish or a sideways kind of action, which is exactly which happened in the month of November, December 2018. So 26th October, the bottom was formed, in Nifty, and then after that action, so this is the bottom that I'm speaking about, and after that this entire action, which was a sideways kind of a action, and this kind of a action is something that we are experiencing right now, right? So a similar kind of a action is happening here as well. The only thing is that the initial speed or initial rally was of a good percentage, or a good momentum was there, but of late we are seeing that that momentum is not there. There has to be something which should boost this momentum in an upwardly direction, and then and only then we will head to this targets of 9620 and 9970. As for Bank Nifty, the action is bearish as compared to Nifty. So Bank Nifty is a weaker index as compared to Nifty right now. If we go to hourly chart, we'll see that the action that started the opening of this week, and after that it has been a bearish kind of action altogether. Still, I do not feel that there is more bearishness to this Bank Nifty, and we should soon see this target of 21,500, and once this target is done, then there is a possibility of this second target of 22,420 to get hit. But this is going to take its own sweet time. It is not going to be an impulsive kind of action. So again, your focus should only be on the intraday kind of a trades. I feel the week is going to be interesting, but at the same time, considering that we are still in an accumulation phase, so we have to take one day at a time and take intraday trades only. So that's it from Market Kya Lagta Hai this week. Do subscribe to Growth Module channel on YouTube. Thank you so much.